Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session, and in today's episode we are reviewing Surfshark. It's a VPN tool which is an all-rounder VPN tool. Let's go ahead and learn all the details. Surfshark is one of those budget-friendly VPNs with unlimited device connections, making it perfect for families or small teams. It has over 3,200 plus servers in 100 plus countries. It's clean web, that means it's ad and malware blocking technology. It has multi-hop connections, camouflage and no borders mode, which means this is one of those best VPNs that you can use while traveling also. What are some of the pros? Surfshark provides you with unlimited devices connection in one plan. It's a great price performance ratio. It has strong privacy policies. One of the cons that I can tell you is that slightly speed drop on some of the servers when you're traveling in some countries where the server may not be that great connectivity. All right, let's talk about the pricing. Now, pricing starts at $249 per month for this VPN. Some of the alternatives of Surfshark are Atlas VPN, private internet access. Let's go ahead, check out the website, surfshark.com. Its online security starts with a VPN, right? That's what it is. And when you scroll down, you can see that you can secure your connection and you can do it on multiple devices. It protects you from data breaches, hacking attacks, and snoopers. Also, we talked about online privacy. Surfshark take care of it. You can experience ad-free, cookie pop-ups or tracker-free. All of that is built in with the plan. It has over 3,200 RAM-only servers, which means it's powerful connectivity. Now, there is a money-back guarantee that if you are not fully satisfied or if you don't explore the full benefits, you can always ask for a 30-day risk-free guarantee back. You can connect to unlimited devices, no locks policy. That means when you're connected, nobody else knows. VPN doesn't monitor, track, or store any of your data. It has 24/7 support and security. That means it's all built in. Whenever you need a helping hand, it's always available. It shields your devices, antivirus that works backstage on all devices. So all your devices are protected real time, and webcam protection. Guard your identity. Your personal data is hot property these days. Your search, password, history, account details, all of it is secured. Let's talk about the pricing. So the starter pack usually starts at $249, I think, but right now it's running at $199 per month plus 3 extra months. That is when you renew it for 24 months. If you check out for 1 month, it's $15. For 12 months, it's $3.19. 24 months, it's just $199. One of the great tools, VPN tools, very popular, very recommended, especially among travelers. So make sure that you get your hands on this, especially when you want to try out a VPN. That's my take on Surfshark. Do let me know what are your thoughts about Surfshark VPN or any other VPN tool that you have used. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll see you in the next one.